Standard 5, Unit 9, a shooting test. Activity 4, study the following antonyms. Antonyms means opposite. So you can add some prefix and you can make opposite of the word. Here see, A and B is given, visible, invisible. What is added here? In. Ordinary, extraordinary. Satisfaction, dissatisfaction. Sense, nonsense. So in, extra, dis and non. Some words are added here. It is called antonyms. They are called antonyms. So you have to use antonyms and make opposite. Note that the antonyms are formed by adding the prefixes in, dis, extra and non. Now read the following words and form their antonyms by adding appropriate prefix. Okay. So agree, active, vegetarian, comfort, efficient. Some words are given here. I have written the opposite of those words. So write in your textbook. Agree, you can make it disagree. Active, inactive. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Comfort, discomfort. Efficient, inefficient. So these are the words you can make opposite by adding prefix. Activity 5, Quiz champion Ashwini is answering some questions. Her answers are given below. Frame questions for the quiz master by choosing appropriate question words given in the box. So Ashwini has given some answers are here. Now you have to make question by choosing appropriate question words given in the box. Okay, see here. How often, how many, what, when, who and from where. So how often means कितनी बार, how many times, what मतलब क्या है, when कब, who कौन है, from where मतलब कहाँ से. So you must know how to make question looking at the answer. So first answer is, Ashwini's answer is a star. So what is the question? What is the sun? So the sun is a star. Second, Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad. So see the question. From where did Gandhiji start the Dandi March? Number 3, Islamabad. So what is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Who was the first Indian to go into the space? Rakesh Sharma. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? So the answer is 1000. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? So there are 3 colors. When did India win first the World Cup in cricket? So 1983. How often are the Olympic Games held? सो ओलंपिक गेम्स कितनी बार खेला जाता है, कितने ईयर के बाद? एवरी 4 years. सो लुकिंग एट द आंसर्स, आई हैव रिटन द आंसर्स. यू हैव टू राइट इन द टेक्स्ट बुक एंड देन नोट. Now activity 6. In this lesson you have come across expressions like the following. We will commence soon. Now we and will has written together. We will is written together. But what's the test about? So what and is written together. Do not is written don't shoot. It wasn't just a shooting test. So was and not is written together. In these sentences, the words in bold types are contraction of we will, what is, do not, was not. We generally use contraction in speech. Okay, so together you can write. They are called contraction. I am becomes I am. How you have to write? See here. I will becomes I'll. He is together. We would, we would. You are, UNRE. So you have to remember the spellings. Will not, won't. So WON, then T. Only T is there. So you have to remember. They have, let us becomes let's, and does not become doesn't. So see here. Now write the following sentences using the contractions. So 7 questions are given here. I will send you the PDF and you have to write the answer in your notebook. Now see activity 7. Rewrite this passage with appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters. So which books are yours? Asked Maya. These three are mine, said Tarun. So wherever there are question, you have to write these are the Now, activity 6. In this lesson, you have come across expressions like the following. We will commence soon. Now, we and will has written together. We will is written together. But what's the test about? So, what and is written together. Do not is written don't shoot. It wasn't just a shooting test. So, was and not is written together. In these sentences, the words in bold types are contraction of we will, what is, do not, was not. We generally use contraction in speech. Okay, so together you can write. They are called contraction. I am becomes I am. How you have to write? See here. I will becomes I'll. He is together. We would. You are, UNRE. So you have to remember the spellings. Will not, won't. So WON, then T. Only T is there. So you have to remember. They have, let us becomes let's, and does not become doesn't. So see here, now write the following sentences using the contraction. Activity 7. Rewrite this passage with appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters. So यहाँ पे एक पैसेज दिया गया है, you have to put punctuation marks. So indirect speech है, कोई ने sentence बोला है, तो which books are yours? Asked Maya. So what you have to do? Put inverted comma, then comma, okay, then full stop. Then these three are mine, said Tarun. When answer is also given, see how you have to write. So I will send you the answer. Just write in your textbook. Activity 8. Complete the following story. Here picture, see the picture. Here some pictures are given. You have to see and complete the story. Already you know the story. So see, there was a fox and a stork. They were good friends. One day they met and talked. But what we have is an incomplete conversation. Read it carefully and supply the missing parts. So already story is given here. You have to fill in the blanks by the answer. So you have to write the conversation. Okay, see here. Fox, dear friends talk. Why don't you come for dinner to my house? So fox पूछता है मेरे घर पे डिनर के लिए आओ ना, क्यों नहीं आते? Then stork, sure dear fox, I would love to have dinner with you. So stork बोलता है अच्छा, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. Fox, very well, we shall meet tomorrow evening. So fox उसे इवनिंग को बुलाता है. Stork, yes, we will meet tomorrow evening. I am so excited. So stork को बहुत अच्छा लगा. The stork reached the house of the fox. He was surprised. The meal was served in plates. अच्छा, तो वहाँ पे उसने क्या देखा? He was surprised. उसको मील किस में सर्व किया था? प्लेट में. अब स्टॉक की चोंच तो बहुत लंबी होती है. How will be able to eat in the plate? Stork, why have you used a plate for me? I will not be able to eat the meal. So स्टॉक ने बोला मुझे प्लेट में I will not be able to eat. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I cannot eat in the plate. Fox, oh really? I did not know that. So fox तो जैसे अनजान है, वो बोलता है मुझे पता नहीं था. But this meal is so tasty. So बोलता है मील तो बहुत टेस्टी है. The stork went home hungry but did not forget the insult. अब स्टॉक तो घर पे भूखा चला गया, लेकिन वो इंसल्ट को नहीं भूला. A few days later, he invited the fox for a meal. उसने भी थोड़े दिनों के बाद उसको खाने के लिए बुलाया. Stork, welcome my friend. I am waiting for you. Fox, thank you dear fox. I can smell some tasty food. I am so hungry. Stork, here is a delicious meal for you. So Stork उसे delicious meal देता है. This is my pot and this one is for you. Fox, but I cannot put my mouth in the pot. How will I eat the meal? So स्टॉक ने क्या किया, उसने वो इंसल्ट याद रखा था कि उसे प्लेट में खाना दिया था, तो उसने आज क्या किया, उसने वो फॉक्स को प्लेट की बजाय पॉट में खाना दिया, क्योंकि स्टॉक ही कैन ईट from the pot but fox cannot. So Stork, I can eat very well from the pot as you could do from the plate. So Stork ने क्या जवाब दिया, तुम जैसे प्लेट में से अच्छी तरह से खा सकते हो वैसे मैं भी पॉट में से अच्छी तरह से खा सकता हूँ. Activity 9. Fill in the blanks selecting appropriate words from the box. So यहाँ पे some words are given, you have to choose appropriate and fill in the blanks. Ankita liked to visit Dash grandma's house. So Ankita liked to visit her grandma's house. She often found many old toys and things there. One day she found an old box in the attic. She found some old dolls in one box. She also found a rag doll with only one button eye. The doll had a painted nose and a smiling face. Her dress had pretty little flowers all over it. So I have completed the blanks you write in the textbook and notebook. And see the activity 10. Imagine you were a spectator when Guru Drona conducted the shooting test. Write a brief story describing what you saw. So एक्टिविटी 10 में बोला गया है गुरु द्रोणा जब शूटिंग टेस्ट ले रहे थे तो आप वहाँ पे स्पेक्टेक्टर मतलब आप वहाँ पे देख रहे थे. ओके, यू go to the playground and see the match like that. So you can write the story and describe in your own word. Thank you.